Hi, myself Kavita Kusum. I have done masters in psychology. I am counselor. Nowadays, so many topics are discussed, but nobody wants to discuss about mental health. Mental health should be as important as physical health. Physical health and mental health are two faces of same coin. If physical health is disturbed, mental health is disturbed. If mental health is disturbed, physical health is disturbed. Today we will talk about stress. So many mental healths are there, anxiety, depression. But today we will discuss about stress. What is stress? Stress is worry. It is a kind of mental tension. It is unable to carry or handle difficult situation. Sometimes headache, muscle tension, stomach problem, chest pain, forgetfulness, tiredness, dizziness, lack of energy are all due to stress. When we feel we have little control over situation, then that is warning sign of stress. Tension, upset stomach, tightness in chest, back, shoulder, dizziness, excessive sweating, sweet pains are all signs of stress. Have some me time. Challenge yourself. Avoid unhealthy habit. Help each other. Connect with people. Active. Always active in work, in physical exercise, active in lifestyle. These are all negative of stress. Sometimes stress is acute, goes away quite quickly. Sometimes it goes with so much years, hours, some months, but sometimes it goes within hours. That is exam, tension, argument, chronic stress. It is work issue, relationship. It goes in months, but sometimes it goes in years. That is traumatic stress, like in accident, environmental disaster, assault. Everything is traumatic stress. It goes in years. It takes times to go to stress. Sometimes we feel in lack of energy. It is also due to stress. Sometimes physical stress, like lack of energy, having headache, stomach ache, back pain, shoulder pain, chest pain. That is physical stress. Mental stress. Mental stress is no sleeping disorder, having eating disorder, not having enough sleep is mental stress. Sometimes behavior stress. We see people having behaving different in different way. They are not normal. That is due to behavior stress. Sometimes it is emotional stress, like breaking up, having relationship issue are all emotional stress. Control, commitment, challenges, and confidence are all parts of stress. Active lifestyle, healthy diet, unhealthy habit, meditation, laughing, connect with each other are all good signs of healthy mental health. Yoga, nature walk, nature walk, to have a nature walk in daily routine is always good mental health. Situation, tension, reaction, emotion are all parts of stress. Enough sleep, having enough muscle relaxation, having enough balanced diet, breathing exercise, meditation, having games, yoga, swimming is to reduce stress. Sometimes time management also play an important role in stress. Getting enough sleep, going to bed at a time and waking up at a time and having healthy morning walk or nature walk, environmental and healthy talk. Keep away from toxic people. Sometimes healthy communication also reduces stress. Sometimes in relationship we have to set boundaries so that stress is not caused. Drinking water also plays an important role in stress. Sometimes self care. Self care is not sin. To take self care is as important as to take your mental health for a healthy lifestyle. Stress and sleep both are closely linked. If stress is good, sleep is bad. If sleep is good, stress is bad. Sleep stress, mindfulness, deep breathing, meditation, physical activity are all to reduce stress hormone. Improving sleep and getting work, rest, proper balanced body it reduces stress because stress hormone reduces. Sometimes massage also reduces stress hormone. Sometimes meditation also reduces. Musical therapy reduces stress hormone and body goes to healthy mental health. Diet gives an extra energy needed to cope with stressful situation. Stress decreases energy level and it feels person feels sleepy every time. But he is not having sleep. It is only dizziness. Aches and pain, chest pain, trouble sleeping, hypertension, muscle tension, digestive issue are all due to stress. Sometimes to give a priority to self. It also reduces stress. To forgive yourself, don't bottle up anger and frustration. It increases stress. Take our time, having me time. Physical activity is one of the best stress release activity. Give natural energy, improve. Sometimes games improves focus and motivation and it reduces stress. To go for a walk, to play a game, to have social game or group game, to go for a yoga with so many gathering people and have a good laugh is for good stress. It also reduces stress hormone. Having yoga with so many people and have laugh, it reduces stress. So work stress is also reduced and lifestyle also improves and stress is always the in your next part of your life. It is good for mental health to go for healthy lifestyle, healthy body, healthy environment, and healthy exercise. Stress is feeling of emotional strain and pressure. Stress is a form of psychological and mental discomfort. Stress is body's response to challenge or demanding situation. When we feel stressed, the stress hormone are released and body feel discomfort and frustration and stress are developed. Stress is always due to in our body when stress hormone makes a place. If stress is getting out of control, we need quick relief. Some of them can be due to if we are active, stress is gone. Physical exercise like swimming, having yoga, laughing, everything is best for mental health. Try to have healthy exercise, healthy body, healthy environment, healthy lifestyle for relieving your stress. Thank you.